Hi, my name is Mark Wheeler, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the admin notebook map case that we have to offer. This case is made out of mil-spec materials. We use Cordura nylon 1000 denier to construct the case. Just to get into some details, this is a large patch for name tapes or crests. We have two areas on the front for storing small items. Just to go into a bit of detail, here you have a small pocket that you can put items in, and then underneath the pocket top you also have a place where you can store quick reference material. Inside the front pocket you have loops of elastic so that when you put your pens and pencils and large markers in there, that it stores it quite neatly. In addition, you can actually use the whole pocket to put larger items in, like a utility knife. Now, the bottom pocket is the same as the top pocket, except that we've used mesh down here. So if you want to be able to see what's in the pocket, you can actually put your keys in there or things that you actually want to see. And the bottom pocket is the same as the top pocket. We also have elastic loops in there. And here's an example of what you might want to use this for. It's great for a quick reference material. So for example, if you wanted to see something there quickly without opening the case, you could store it under here, say maps or SOPs or anything like that. Now on the reverse, what we've done is we've designed the reverse as a large map case as well as a pocket. So if you wanted to use it as a pocket, you could store items right inside here. This whole back acts as a pocket. And once you close the pocket, you can also use it as a large map case. We have a zipper here, and you can put your map right into here. You can also use it for aerial photos or, again, for quick reference material if you wanted to access some kind of operating procedures or what have you. You can put that right in here. And you could also use it as a storage device. So if you wanted to store papers in here and just close it up, you could do that too. There's also a place for a pen right here. So that is the reverse side of the case. Going to the inside acts as a sort of like a binder. Just to give you an idea of the dimensions, the inside from left to right goes 20.5 inches, and from top to bottom it goes 13 inches. Now the inside is made so that you can store, you can put a clipboard up here. So for example, if you wanted to, if you had a regular clipboard with a cardboard back, you could place that inside there, like so. In addition, let's say you had a small binder like this, and you wanted to place the binder, use the case as a binder cover. This actually isn't a binder, it's more like a metal spiral notebook. So you could place this in here like so. Well, you get the idea. Both backs of the binder would go into the sleeves, and then you could use it as a writing surface. Now, inside the case itself, we've designed it so that there's a little bit of padding in here to give it a little bit of firmness. It also protects the insides. There's also behind this area here, there's a piece of plastic so that you actually have a little bit of a hard writing surface behind here. So for example, if you just wanted to put paper here and write on it, it wouldn't be too bad. It wouldn't be there is some stiffness to it on this side only. And over here, you've got a place where you can put a ruler, or you can also put a pen. Inside here is also elastic, so there is a couple of areas there where you can place pens or markers, and because it's elastic, it'll also keep them separate as well. Over here, you can use this as a place to put extra papers or maps or whatever you have. In addition, we've also designed this case so that you optionally can use it as a map case. We have a map case here that we offer that this case is designed to fit this map case. So you can actually use this, if you wanted to use it strictly as a map case, you could use it that way. So for example, there's 20 pages here that you can store maps or papers in, and that would give you 40 views altogether. So you could use this not only as a writing pad, as a writing case, but you could also use it as a map case if you wish. And again, you could put your pad right in the back side there if you wanted to use this area to write on. So that kind of gives you a bit of an idea of the functionality of this case. And thanks very much for watching.